Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Wash your hands, wash your face and apply the moisturizer. And let's start your morning exercise for younger skin. Exercise number 1, laugh line smoother for next 20 seconds. Exercise number 2, head massage for next 20 seconds. Exercise number 3, eyebrow press for next 20 seconds. Next exercise for eyebrow massage for next 20 seconds. Next exercise number 5, under eye pull for next 20 seconds. Exercise number 6, nose lift massage for next 20 seconds. Exercise number 7, cheek to ear stretch for next 20 seconds. Exercise number 8, cheek upward massage for next 20 seconds. Exercise number 9, jawline massage for next 20 seconds. Exercise number 10, upward limb massage for next 20 seconds. Happy morning, my beautifuls.